I think we have a new model for out-of-home storytelling entertainment. I think that this becomes the next IMAX. And I'm really excited to see that happen.
So this is really make us to feel and to live experiences that before were not possible. So this sector will grow for sure, is growing and will grow for sure.
Game developers can focus on the most important thing, and that's creating amazing experiences, creating amazing games, and that's what's going to help them democratize this whole thing.